So I just got home from John's Incredible Pizza and I'm really, really tired. But I promised you guys I was going to post this video of me doing 2 sit-ups for every like that I got by 4 o'clock. And by 4 o'clock I only got like 22 likes. But I'm going to do 2 extras for Kinjaya. So here they go. Alright, Busty's dead. You go down for me, Mia?
How many are you doing?
44. Oh. You ready?
Come on.
Are you ready? Count me off. You ready? 1,
2, 3, 4.
They ain't hurting yet.
6, 7, 8.
Too much boobies, man.
10. 11.
You sure that wasn't 25? I heard 25.
12. 13. 14. 15.
Hold them tight.
16. 17. 18. 19.
I'm trying to think of cheer, man. I'm not doing this every day. So let's come back.
21. Halfway point.
Shut up. Don't make me laugh.
Dude.
What was that one?
22.
22.
23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30.
Gotta scoot up again, man. Whew, the final 10. The final 10.
Almost
Wait,
there.
14. Are you ready?
31. 32. 33. 34. 35. Dana said she looks like a peach. She said I look ridiculous. I look like a peach.
Dana, let me see your skirt. What was that one?
36.
Okay. Dana, let me see your skirt.
I look like a peach. 40. 31. 42.
Dana, let me see your skirt.
How many? You have to do 42 or 44?
I had to do 42. 44.
43. There it is.
Wait. 2 for Kinjaya.
Alright.
Gotta cross chest for her.
Rocky.
Let's those out. Dana, let me see your dress. Wait, they gotta see why I was laughing. Dana! Let me see your dress. Wait, she might be naked. Hold up. No, put it on. See, that's why you couldn't have it on her.
Who's knocking on the door?
Put it on.
Who's knocking on the door? Who's that?
It was on the back door, wasn't it?
Yeah, it sounded like the back door.
It was on the back door. Oh. Dana, let me see your dress. No, put a shirt on.
Oh my goodness.
That was scary.
Put a shirt
That's
on.
what I saw.
Put a shirt on. Olivia, go in the room. She spilled some cream on her shirt, Mia.
Peaches and cream.
Peaches and cream.
gonna be a long video.
A long
5
video.
minutes
Already?
already.
Dang. I had the giggles the whole time. Did you ever have the giggles? And it makes it worse when you have the giggles. But, I mean, I burn more calories that way, so hey. Dana! You ain't got no shirt on yet? Let me just see the skirt then. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Mia. No, I didn't. Alright then, forget it. Well, I did sit-ups. I started laughing because my sister was wearing this orange outfit and she looked like a peach. And they told her she looked like a peach. But I did it. So, alright. Look, I did it in my pretty dress though, y'all. Like, boom! Okay, sorry. They can't see me in a dress. Alright, bye.